Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix Van9003 in Valorant. If you encounter the Valorant Vanguard 9003 error while running the game on Windows 11, it may be due to secure boot not being enabled. This feature is necessary for running Valorant, but the error remains unresolved by the developers. And to resolve this issue, you will need to access your computer's BIOS menu. And to do this, search for your computer's name and BIOS key on Google. Once you have found the key, shut down your computer and turn it back on, and continuously press the BIOS key to access the menu during startup. The BIOS key is typically one of the following: Delete, Escape, F2, or F10. When you have accessed the BIOS menu, navigate to the boot section and enable security boot. If you're unable to do this, try setting a password in the security section, as this may allow you to enable the secure boot. Then, simply click exit and click exit saving changes. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.